yucky day. Can't see. I just see a haze. Sorry about the wind. It's blowing pretty hard. Oh, focus. Come on. So I'm looking west. It's probably 6 p.m. Central Texas, May 24th, I think. I'm looking due west. So the sun's a little more to the north than the south, I think, I would say. Almost due west, though. Ah, these guys look interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna have to cut this short. This is actually kind of long. It's gonna be almost 2 minutes long. Ah! The birds are happy. Hear them singing. Looks like a storm's coming in, but I don't know. I think we have like a 5% chance of rain, so probably won't rain. Oh, I gotta end this. I love you guys. God bless. Have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend.